Thanks for watching. I'm Lewis. Welcome to Gone Tooling. I want to just see how Flex Seal works on a tool. I have here a channel lock adjustable wrench. It did come with a handle, but the handle fell off. It did not last long. It twisted. It was just slip off. Again, it's a blue handle that it comes with. I think many technicians probably had the same issue, or many people that had the same issue, because when I bought it, it was only available with the blue handle, and then now it's available with the blue handle or without the blue handle, just like this, just the way you see it as is, with the same logo and everything. So it just shows you that the handle was probably just a nice way for them to pick up the price on the tool, but it never stayed on anyway. So I have some Flex Seal here, some liquid black Flex Seal. We're gonna dip this in there and see how the grip is, see how, if it sticks to this. This is, again, I'm not doing anything to get it to stick, so let's just see how it is. Let's check it out. So here we have the Flex Seal. Here we have our tool. We're going to use our tool to open this. And get a drip pad, piece of metal. We're going to hang it. So here we go. So after letting it sit, it dried up. I tried to make a hole in here, but I could probably rip this piece out a little bit later. It did become a little bit wrinkled, but it feels good. I didn't read the instructions until afterwards, but they say you have to sand it so that it can get stuck really well. As you see here, I'm just pulling it back and it's just coming out. So maybe that's a nice tip. Read the instructions. But I think it's good for a temporary handle. I'm gonna reseal it and see how long it lasts without sanding it, and then if it doesn't last long, I'll probably just sand the tool and then re-dip it. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to leave a comment below, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.